Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Carlson from the Grove Animal Hospital and Holistic Center. We're going to be discussing case number 00313. This is a retest IHT with a history of allergies. The first analysis was that we had a stress point at the sensory circuit, which the number was 60. And on this retest, we moved it down to 58, but we still have some stress with the sensory circuit. And that tells us that usually anything that we see, feel, taste, touch, then there's going to send an excitement response into the body. And that can cause anxiety, that can cause dullness, that can cause restlessness, kind of a whole gamut of possibilities. And so because it's better, we're gaining on that circuit. We added 4, and allergies versus our original sensitivities. Allergies mean that we've incorporated some pathogen into the system, usually the lymphatic network. And the difference between allergies and sensitivities is allergies can be a continual response, but it's a byproduct or portion of what was in the environment that we've absorbed. So it's usually a respiratory or food allergen, and that can be from a chemical in the food to something that they breathe outside. Sensitivity lists will always be present. Every time they're exposed, they'll have some level of sensitivity, which means they'll react in a certain way. But allergies themselves are an incorporation of inflammatory byproducts into the system. And one of the key points, it looks like sinus was stressed, so that's probably where we're getting some of these allergies to come from. Then we had some heart stress for circulation and the potential for anxiety, because these two can work synergistically. And then also the joints, where we can absorb some of the toxin into the joints and create stiffness or soreness in the joints and even the muscle. And so as we move over to treatments, we're going to reinfuse our hemp oil for 3 months to incorporate these stressors in the body. And as we come over, we look at standard process called beta food, and that's going to help to treat the allergies but also balance out these other points. The question was, could we use frankincense and thieves? And I would say it didn't call for it. It's not that we can't use it, but I did circle and run a line through it because it's calling for abundance and purification. And these are essential oils that you can purchase yourself, or we can get those for you. And health and longevity and functionality is a work in progress, so you'll find that things won't stay static for very long. We go with one thing here, and now we've got a few things to adjust here. But overall, over time, we increase function and increase health, because conditioning is a part of life, and as far as living in terms of what we expose ourselves to and our pets to on a quarterly basis. The world's a toxic place, so we do incorporate certain things into the body that can create inflammation. And so if you have any questions, 847-541-4005 after you watch the video. I know that you have a copy of the results, and I also had some other questions asked that we got answered for you. But if this video today doesn't make sense to you, then we can do further consultation. Just give us a call, shoot us an email at growpets@yahoo.com as well, and look forward to continue to working with you. Thank you.